Oh, we got 12 beautiful peach muffins, less than 12 milligrams of sodium each. Peach muffins for breakfast, a snack, dessert, anytime you want them. They're mighty good. A muffin tin. Spray it with nonstick. I like to use the one that's got the flour in it. Then I don't have to do the flour. It's ready to go. Ready to go. I sifted 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of EMERG baking soda substitute, no sodium, Amazon or Healthy Heart Market, ½ cup of white sugar, ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon vanilla. Then I just put in ½ cup of golden brown sugar. And then I put a little bit of brown sugar over here because we're going to put it on top of our muffins when we bake them. The oven is preheating to 350 degrees. We have a beaten egg, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, adding ½ cup of canola oil. Beat this up. And the egg's already beaten, but I still like to do it until it's got a lot of bubbles in there. Then we'll make a hole in the middle of the dry ingredients. Add this and stir it. I have 1 peach that I took the peel off, and then I have chopped it. We'll mix in the peaches. We're going to put about probably 1/3 of a cup of batter in each one of the muffin tins. You can add nuts if you want to. Walnuts, pecans, whatever you like. Maybe a 1/4 cup. But I like them better without it. So, in goes the batter. You're going to use all that batter. Then, this little bit of brown sugar here, probably maybe a teaspoon on the top. Just sprinkle it on top. Maybe not a whole teaspoon. Just a little. It does some nifty stuff when you bake them. We're going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Then we're ready. I think maybe ½ teaspoon. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a new low sodium recipe every Friday. Oh, we got 12 beautiful peach muffins, less than 12 milligrams of sodium each. Oh boy. Nice dessert. Breakfast anytime. I think I'll just have one. I think I'll just put a little bit of butter on one. Munch it up.